मिल्खा सिंह, ये आपकी जिंदगी की आखिरी रेस साबित हो सकती है।
दौड़ूंगा भी वैसे ही।
Milkha Singh, or the Flying Sikh, a field superstar, a colossal sportsman, one of the biggest names in Indian sport, passed away at the age of 91 during the night of June 18 after a month-long battle with COVID-19. The Indian athlete thrived for more than 5 decades, but the legend and his legacy will live on forever, continuing to inspire young athletes. While we were still reeling from the passing away of 85-year-old Nirmal Kaur, Milkha Singh's wife and former Indian volleyball captain, who succumbed to COVID-19 related complications 5 days back, the sad demise of Sardar Milkha Singh, also due to COVID-19, came as a tragic shock. President Ramnath Kovind and Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted condolence at the passing away of Milkha Singh. Born on November 20, 1929 in Govindpura, Multan, Pakistan, Milkha was orphaned during the partition before he found athletics in his youth, while serving in the army, and went on to rewrite history books in the sports of India. A difficult childhood and trying times made Milkha Singh do petty jobs, and he even worked as a cleaner at a shop for a monthly salary of 10 rupees. Shortly after, Milkha Singh came to know that the army was recruiting. He applied and was rejected 3 times before finally getting selected in 1952. It was the army that the Flying Sikh got introduced to running as a sport and started his career as an athlete. He went on to participate in 80 international races, winning 77 of them. As a raw talent, Milkha Singh competed at the 1956 Olympic Games at Melbourne in the 200 meter and 400 meter, failing to make it beyond the heats. For Milkha, that trip was just not an experience worth its weight in gold, but huge learning that would eventually transform his young career. But it was his victory at the Commonwealth Games in 1958 that capitulated him to fame. In 1958, his hard work and dedication paid off when he set a national record. In the 1958 Asian Games, Milkha Singh gave India its first track and field medal, winning gold in 200 meter and 400 meter at Tokyo. In the process, he also set the Asian record in 200 meter, and the win was all the more special as he beat Pakistan's Abdul Khalik, who had won the 100 meter gold with a new games record. Milkha ran the 200 meter sprint in under 21.6 seconds to set a record. At the British Empire and Commonwealth Games in 1958, Milkha's winning run continued as he won gold in 400 meter with a new national record of 46.6 seconds. Another feather in the cap in the Flying Sikh, as he became the first Indian to clinch a Commonwealth Games gold in track and field. In another race in 1960 at Lahore, Milkha Singh beat Abdul Khalik again. It was after this race Milkha Singh received the title the Flying Sikh by General Ayub Khan that stuck with him for the rest of his life. At the 1960 Olympics at Rome, richer with experience and records to boot, Milkha broke his own 400 meter national record with a run of 45.8 seconds, but in a photo finish for ages, he missed the podium by 0.1 second. I would look back at the 400 meter final at the Rome Olympics as a tragic moment in my sporting career. Since it was a photo finish, the announcements were held up. The suspense was excruciating. I knew what my fatal error was. After running perilously fast in lane 5, I slowed down at 250 meters. I could not cover the lost ground after that, and that cost me the race. He said after the death of my parents, that is the worst memory I kept crying for days. Milkha Singh represented India in 3 Olympics from 1956 to 1964. He was awarded the Padma Shri, India's 4th highest civilian honor, in recognition of his sporting achievements. In 2013, the life of the legend was immortalized on the big screen with the movie named Bhag Milkha Bhag, starring Farhan Akhtar. Milkha Singh changed the narrative, and till today, significantly, very few Indian sprinters have come close to matching his caliber and the rich legacy he left behind.